Hello foodies, I am making kasuri methi made from leftover methi and stems. So it is very easy to make kasuri methi at home. I had set the timer for 5 minutes in the microwave for to make the kasuri methi. Now I am opening the door of the microwave. You can see lot of steam is there and it is still wet. Now I will put it for 5 minutes more. Take 10 to 15 minutes to make the kasuri methi at home. This compromises of leftover leaves and the stems, so don't throw your methi. Still in the oven and it is almost 2 minutes. Now I will stop for 5 seconds to check what is the condition of the methi. So I will give it a stop there and open the door, and see it is still wet. It has a lot of water moisture content, and I will give it a toss and flip the sides in the oven. And please be careful, it is hot. Because my methi was in a large quantity, so it will take 15 minutes for me to make the kasuri methi. Now I am starting the process again. And don't let the children handle the microwave, and don't use any metal in the microwave. So you have to be extra cautious, and please stay near your microwave to give it a check. The clock of the microwave has stopped for 5 minutes. I had put the second, so it is total 10 minutes the methi is in the oven. So again I'll open the door, and still we have some steam, but now it is a little on a drier side. Just 5 minutes more. I had mentioned that it will take 15 minutes because of the quantity. We can make it on a hot tawa, but it will turn black on the tawa, so I'm using the microwave. So now again I will set the timer for 5 minutes. I'll put it for 6 minutes now, but I will stop again at 3 minutes and check. Now I am stopping the oven and checking the kasuri methi. Yes, beautifully done. Now it is, see, you can hear the noise. You can hear the sound of the dry methi, but few are wet. It has some moisture, but we have the timer 3 minutes and it will be done in 3 minutes. So total 16 minutes I am taking because of the quantity, and I am starting the oven from here. And please stay near the microwave. Don't let your children handle microwave, and don't use any hard stuff or the metal. Just I have kept the kasuri methi on the glass which is available in the microwave. So please be near your microwave. Okay, now I am once again stopping the clock in the middle, and I will check the methi. I think it is almost done. Let me check again. Yeah, it is almost done. You can see the sound of the dry methi. You can see a lovely dry methi we have got. Then check it. I think these 20 seconds will be enough for the methi to get dry completely, and it is almost done. And I have arranged the kitchen towel here. Let me check again. Yeah, it is done. So I will take it out. I'll keep it for 1 more minute. For 30 seconds I'll keep to give it extra dryness to it. You can see I have done for 30 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it is done. So your homemade kasuri methi is ready, and I'll show you by taking it out. See, a beautiful sound is there. Take it out here, clean from the glass available in the microwave. Taking it out, and I will place it on the kitchen towel or the tissue you can have, and leave it to rest for a minute. So foodies, this kasuri methi is ready. Now I will grind it in a grinder, a small grinder I have. I will grind it to make it a powder. So I will do it in a small batches. And you can see this beautiful kasuri methi is ready, and I will take it out in a bowl. So foodies, our homemade kasuri methi is ready, and what a lovely fragrance. Store it in a dry tight jar and use whenever you want in any dish, any Indian dish. You can add it in methi ka paratha, aloo methi ki sabzi, any makhni gravy. Try it at home. In a same way, we can make orange zest powder also. Take the peels of orange or the quinoa or the malta, keep the skin, and same process, do it in the microwave. You will have the dry dry peels of orange. Crush it in the grinder, sieve it, use it in the gajar ka halwa. It's the same way. The process of microwave is to dehydrate the ingredient to make it dry. Similarly, don't throw the skins of blanched tomatoes. Use that skin, dry it, grind it. You can have a good tomato powder. Use it in your pasta, any makhni gravy, any dish. You will have a good powder. Tip: if you find it suitable, please share it. Don't throw your vegetables, any peels. You can make a lot of good stuff with your microwave. Have a safe day. Thank you.